It's so quiet out here. So quiet. Wake up, Matthew. It's time to ride bicycles. I know you're hiding in there. Yes, I have been reading my book. And every few days I make the book smaller after I read like 20 or so pages. And I just rip it up. It becomes easier to pack. I'm loving it, by the way. You see this medley of goodness? This is going to be the breakfast of champions today. And P.S. Nutella is almost worthless when it's super cold. It's a little cold too. It's hard to squeeze out. Energy food. Lots of carbs. Oh. All right, Matthew. Day 3. We're going to ride 35 miles. Not as much vert today. I think about 2,500 feet. 5,000 feet down, I think. Something like that. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. Maybe it's wishful thinking.
It sounds nice.
But we had a beautiful night. Thank you so much. Black Mesa Hut. And you know what we got to do now.
What do we got?
No.
I wasn't ready.
You're okay.
Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3. No crashies, no flatties, no whammies. Woo! Oh, this looks so cool. Shoot. We're not too far off. So we just did what's called bonus miles. We were having so much fun going downhill, we weren't paying attention to the map, and now we're quite a bit off the map. But it was a beautiful road.
It was beautiful.
It was beautiful. Yeah. But now we have to go back up.
Yeah.
Damn it. Do a little turnaround. It just seemed too easy. This way we get to see the Aspens twice. So navigational errors definitely happen on bike tours. Even when you have maps and a GPS telling you exactly where to go, you just always have to be paying attention. And we weren't. That's okay, because this is a pretty good area to do some bonus miles in. It is a beautiful Colorado fall morning. There's a nice chill in the air. Sun is high in the sky.
Now, what's on your mind? What's your major meditation right now?
My major meditation right now is just, I'm so grateful for the opportunity to be here. How about you?
Yeah, I was also feeling grateful. Grateful that it's a Wednesday, and grateful that I get to be out here for 7 days. Disconnected, living outside of the pattern of my normal life. I feel so blessed.
Here's where we messed up. My bad.
That's all right. That was beautiful.
It was beautiful.
Nice climb.
Yeah, nice climb. Probably put us 45 minutes to an hour behind where we were.
That's all right.
Yesterday we had the drone fiasco in the tree. Today we went the wrong way. You know, what's it going to be tomorrow? It's all part of the adventure. That's what it is about adventures. You never know what's going to happen. If everything always went to plan, it wouldn't really be an adventure, right? Or is that just me justifying screwing up? All right, well, let's do it, bud.
All right, bud.
And the hut is like right there.
Right there. Just right there. We could go back for a sandwich if we wanted to.
Whoopsie. Woo! That is beautiful. Snake, snake, snake. Oh, I got you.
No, towards me! I don't like them.
Okay. It's a cute little garter snake. Yeah, look at this guy. He's so chill. I used to catch snakes all the time when I was a little kid. I loved reptiles. My mom didn't like it so much because I'd bring them home and put them in a little aquarium, but this guy, he's putting out his nasty smell. That's his defense against predators. And it smells really bad right now. Have a good day. Bye. The hands smell like nasty garter snake. That's the smell of my childhood, actually, because I used to catch them all the time. Yeah. Matthew, I'm sorry for scaring you.
Oh, no. I don't know why. Well, I do know why. It's I was totally cool with it until I just missed a rattler bite on my ankle, bike packing actually, by about 1/4 inch. Oh. And so now I don't like any of them. But yeah, it smells like really powerful, like ammonia.
It's ammonia, yeah. It's bad. It's bad. That was your Animal Planet moment. Who put all the rocks here? Boom! So we just rode half an hour up a mountain to do this alternate route called the Goat Creek Trail. Whew, better be good, huh?
It better be real good.
It was pretty steep to get here, but they say it's epic. Gonna put the old seat down for this part, so you can get back further, so you don't flip over your handlebars. Woohoo! Whoa! Those are fun! Whoa, nice! You look like a slalom skier. That's a hard one to jump. Interesting. Don't fall to the left. Smile on my face. So beautiful in there, and just like flowy and fun, and the aspens. What else?
I mean, just the fact that it was that primitive and that rideable, you could just really get
cruise. You can start cruising. Like a lot of the Colorado Trail single track is fun, but it's scary, and you have to get off your bike all the time and hike it. This was just like felt like I was in a video game. Matthew and I were riding by this reservoir, and I was like, should we jump in? Should we clean off? We smell kind of bad. You got some salt stains. Another reason why I want to wash off is this here and this here is not mud. I went through a cow patty that was fresh, and it just splattered up all over my legs. Woo, it's slippery. Summer's not over, baby! Okay, feel pretty good. I feel pretty good about my decision. Yep. High five! Bah! Ladies and gentlemen, we made it. Even with all the goofing around and getting lost and swimming, we did about 40 miles and we got here at 4 p.m.
So coming to the huts, remember when you were a kid?
Yes.
And you played like tag?
Yes.
And there was a safety? It's like coming to the huts at the end of the day is like being at safety.
That's true.
Warm food, everything you need. It's like, okay,
yeah.
I'll take you under my wing until the next day.
This is the Dry Creek hut, and we're definitely in a more desert region. There's sage and juniper trees and oh boy. I've said it so many times, but this is beautiful, this is awesome, this is incredible. It's all of those things every single day. Thank you, San Juan Huts. I'm starting to really like these huts. Like maybe I want to live in one of these someday. And look at our view. Pretty nice. And it's funny, all the other huts had a wood burning stove right in the middle, but they know that we're in the desert and it's hot. No need for that. Time for a cold seltzer. Oh, it really is cold. That's incredible. Cheers, buddy.
Cheers.
Another good day.
Great day. Duzer's a vegetarian, but I have to do some chicken salad. It's time. I need some meat in my life. I like beans, but sometimes I just need some chicken, okay?
Okay, I'm not mad. Look at that. Is it a no bake? You don't need to cook it?
Don't need to cook it.
It is so much warmer down here. I don't know exactly what the altitude is, but it feels kind of like the desert, and it is like perfectly comfortable, maybe 75, obviously t-shirt weather. The last 2 nights have been pretty chilly. This right here is my climate. This is when I feel most alive. And you know what this stuff is? It's my favorite. Desert sage. It smells so good. Ah, I love this stuff. It smells so fresh. That looks pretty epic, bud.
I'm looking forward to it. Let's see what we got here.
Yeah. Pretty good, pretty good. Wonderful day, Matthew.
Wonderful day.
Wonderful day. Look at that.
Wonderful sunset.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Mother Nature, for another beautiful day on planet Earth. Let's do it again tomorrow. Wow.